I'm going to see if I can clean up these headlights a little bit. What I use is very simple. I do it about every 6 months. I hit it first with polishing compound, then I hit it again with the headlight cleaner and sealant. And I think I bought these off of Amazon. It was like a pack of like 10 or something like that. And I just compound, wipe it off, headlight cleaner, sealant, wipe it off, and that's it. So I'll do it in real time so y'all can see it. And that's all I do. So let's get y'all in a good spot where y'all can see the difference, and let's get to it. Oh, that's probably way too much. A little bit makes a big difference. And then I just switch pads. Like I said, I don't mind doing this every 6 months because I mean it takes like no time to do it. You know, while the truck is warming up before we go somewhere, you know, I'll just grab the stuff and hit them up real quick. And I mean, you just saw that in real time. Like I said, about every 6 months, I'll take 5 minutes and do both headlights. Just like that. So, let me do the other one. I'll show you both of them at the same time. But you can see the difference. You can see the literal clear difference between this one and that one. This one looked like that one 3 minutes ago. Night and day difference. Boom. Boom. So they're both done and fresh.